Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to check the oil in your Audi S4. Modern Audi S4 vehicles often rely on an electronic oil level sensor instead of a traditional dipstick. This means you will use your car's multimedia interface, or MMI, system to get an accurate reading. This method is precise and convenient, ensuring your engine always has the correct amount of lubrication. Before checking your oil, proper preparation is key for an accurate reading. First, park your Audi S4 on a flat, level surface to prevent skewed measurements. Next, drive your car until the engine reaches its normal operating temperature. Finally, turn off the engine and wait for approximately 2 to 5 minutes, allowing the oil to fully drain back into the oil pan. Now, let's access the oil level display through your MMI system. First, turn on your car's ignition without actually starting the engine. Next, locate and press the car button on your MMI control panel. From the main menu, select Servicing and Checks, then choose Oil Level to view the current status. The display will show your oil level digitally. Once you've accessed the MMI display, you will see your engine oil level. If it indicates a low level, you should add approved synthetic oil, typically a 5W40 or 0W20 viscosity, in small increments. A common capacity is around 7 quarts. Add about 1/2 liter at a time, then wait a few minutes and recheck the MMI display until the level is within the recommended range.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.